You don't need a DSLR or mirrorless camera to capture amazing photos and videos. And to prove it, we decided to stage a little shoot with the OnePlus Open. Yes, we're making a video of the OnePlus Open on the OnePlus Open. It's Openception. This thing has some monster specs, and if you want to dive in deeper, check out the video linked here. But as we always say, specs are only half the story. Your unique style and creativity are really what can kick your content up a notch. For us, this starts with lighting. I like taking handheld light sources and racking them across the phone to add some motion. Having a few RGB lights on hand really opens up your creative possibilities, like backlighting your shot for slick silhouettes or adding an edge of vibrant color. The biggest hurdle here is controlling your reflections. Nothing tanks a product shot quicker than seeing me reflected in the glass. I like to keep my subjects in motion, whether that's using the optical image stabilization on the Open to dolly in, or putting a static object on a rotating stand. We have a motorized one here, but even a lazy Susan could work. One awesome feature about the OnePlus Open is its super slow-mo capabilities, with 1080p up to a whopping 240 frames per second. Notice how it enhances the drama of the atmospheric aerosol we use to add texture to this shot. Finally, experimentation. The more things you try, the more you learn, and more tools you'll have in your arsenal. I really wanted to recreate the 3D floating effect you see in phone commercials, but without CGI. And all it took was some transparent fishing line and patience to nail the shot. So that's a bit about our process and how we brought this piece to life, all shot with the OnePlus Open. Keep an eye out for our upcoming video where we'll walk you through the editing process. Drop us a link to your OnePlus Open creations below, and thanks for watching.